Hello and welcome friend. In this tutorial we will try to look at some more commands from the VI perspective. So in the last command we have seen how to open a file and do some manipulations inside the file, like yanking or copying a line and pasting it, going to certain line numbers. Now after doing all those operations, how do we save the file? So that's the thing. So either you open a blank file or create a new file. So let's suppose I have this file text1.txt. So I will open this file. So this file is already has some contents. It's been saved in the past. Now let's suppose I add some contents here and I say, hi, this is Shakil. Now if I change my mind and I don't want to save this and I want to quit without saving this line, the last line which I have added. So the command for that is you say escape, which you will be in command mode, I mean to say, escape :q and then not. This not means you forcefully exit even though I have the changes. So if you don't press not and if you have the changes, it will say no, you have a changes, you cannot quit. When I say not, it means yes, I have a changes here and I want to discard that. So you just exit, it will exit. Now if I open it again, my change is gone because it has quit without savings. Now let's suppose if I want to write and save, so I write something, hi, this is new line, and I want to save it. So for saving you have to say escape :wq, and not is again forcefully that you save it. If you don't give not, then also it is fine, but I generally practice like this, escape :wq not, and then this will force. If I open it again, you see this is still maintained, this line has been saved. So far so good. Now this is file 1. Now how about doing multiple file operations within the same VI editor, the way you open multiple tabs? You can do very much similar in Notepad with tabs, so you can do it in VI also. So right now the file, if you see here, is file text1. If you see the file name, you want to see the file name, you say escape :e, it will display you the file name, or you can say escape :f, it will show you the file name. Now I want to open another file. So what you do is escape :e and then you say another file. I have another file here, test1. So here see, this is file 1. It says when I open another file, this is called as, this is file 2. So I have another file. Now if I want to go back, so I will do some manipulation here. I have changes in file 2 and I can save it. So if you just want to save without quitting the VI editor, you can say W, but if you want to save and quit, you have to say WQ. So that's the only difference. Only save is like W and save and quit is WQ. So that's the way you do it. Now this is file 2. I saved this contents in the file 2, but I don't want to quit. Now I want to go back to my other file, which was file 1. So going back to the file 1, there is a command called escape :bn. So n means next file. So you keep on pressing next file. So now this is file 1. So we were in file 2. When we press B1, we came to file 1. Again you press and then it will go to file 2 again. Again escape :bn. So bn means next file. If you have n number of files, you keep on iterating and it will overlap and then come back to the first file again. There are individual commands like bf, escape :bf, go to the first file, bl, go to the last file, but you don't need to remember everything because most of the time we do iterations over 5-6 files and it's very easy to do bn, and anyway it will wrap over, and when it reaches the end of the file, the last file, and if you press bn, it will go and pick the first file again. So you don't need to remember everything, just the bn. So escape :bn is the next file. Now sometimes you might need to split your terminal into two halves and compare some files. So for splitting, there is a command called escape sp. So sorry, I was not in escape mode. So escape :vsp. So there is a sp and vsp. I would go for vsp because vsp is vertical split and sp is horizontal split. So I don't like horizontal split, but you can try. So v is vsp and sp split. So if you see here, now when you split, they will have the same content, right? Because it's the same file you see. So if you want to open another file in another window, you can just go. So first you have to cycle between this window and this window. So to cycle between those windows, okay. Now if you want to move back and forth between those two uh, tabs, you say Control WW. So it will move to this tab. Then again you say Control WW, it will come back to this tab. Control WW. Okay. So that way you can do a changes. Now in this, like right now both the tab is having the same file, test2 test2. In this tab, suppose you want to open a file test1, so escape :e and then you say test1.txt. So this is test1, then this is Control WW. You can go here and this is test2, and you can do some sort of modifications or whatever changes. Also note that in some of the older VI, the left and right arrow for going in a file like this or up and down will not work. So there is this keyword J and K. So if you want to go move down, you have to press J from the keyboard, and of course you have to be in escape mode, and K is up. So I'm pressing J and K now. J means down, K means up. K is up. And H and L. H is move left and L is right. So you just remember H and L, they are in positions left and right, and J and K is down and up. So this is J down, K is up. So this is the way you can manipulate files, and there are a lot of commands with respect to VI, so you will really have to practice. Now one more thing, if I want to undo certain changes, like this change was done, so I would say escape U, it will do undo, and I will press as long as I wish to before saving, because I have already saved it, so it will not undo that. But if I write something like, let's suppose I write this and I want to undo, escape U, I will press, it will undo that. So that's the way you can do. And then there is the redo command and Control R, you can do those kind of things. So in fact there are lot of options, but you don't need everything, you just need some limited set. But the main thing is you have to practice. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.